Hey guys, so this is part of my new series where I'm going back and checking out old favorites, old cult classics of makeup favorites, and this was one of my favorites. It was actually one of my first, I think this is actually my first high-end highlighter I ever got, was TheBalm MaryLou Manizer. They have several, by the way. I had to remake this video because I misspoke in the video that I did yesterday, so I had to redo it. But they have several shades of these. I think they even have new ones too, but you know, they got more of a pink one, more of a bronzed one. There's another newer one on that where I think it's a deeper bronze, kind of gold, very pretty, and this brings me back. I never hear anybody talk about TheBalm anymore. And at one point, I feel like you heard a lot about TheBalm. They were releasing a lot of product, releasing a lot of things, but this still holds up. So before I get in my tangent here, this still holds up. I still think this is an amazing highlighter. Let me actually give you guys a quick. Like, that is so pretty. So pretty. Ooh, I just love that. But it's so gorgeous. I still got so much on my finger too, but so pretty. But it still holds up to this day. I feel like that'd still be a really pop-in highlight. It's just nobody talks about TheBalm anymore. And I don't know why, because they had really good products. Like, now that so many things have come out, I will say their eyeshadow performance isn't as good as like other brands. So I will say that as time has gone on. But their face products, like their blushes, were amazing. I remember they had several like bronzers at one point. Like I think Bahama Mama was like super popular. Oh, there was another one too, was also really popular. But they had so many items that were so popular. Now I just like never hear them be talked about. I don't know, it's really strange. Like, their eyeshadow palettes were really popular at one point, like the Meat Nudes and, you know, Nude whatever, the different Nude Dude palette. I had a few of them. At the time, I really liked them. Actually, I loved them. But then as time went on and different formulas started to come about, I started to not like the eyeshadows as much as other brands, especially for that price point. I could find way better formulas even for less money. And it's no shade to TheBalm. I still think you guys have some awesome face, like complexion products. Like the blush, the bronzers, the highlights are still, I think, amazing. Just maybe, I mean, I don't know about now. They might have changed it now. So as a disclaimer, I don't know about now, but just versus back then when things were kind of changing up. But it is weird to not hear them be talked about as much anymore, because at one point they were talked about quite frequently, so it is kind of strange. But I still love this. I still think it's so pretty, especially what I have on today. And I really like that. I don't know if you can tell because I don't have my umbrella light on, it's just like the window, but I still love it. So I still would recommend, if you want a highlighter, like I said, they got other tones in this too. They even have a little 3-face thing where it has like this one, the pinkish one, and then the bronzy one. Give it a shot. I mean, why not? I recommend. I think a lot of people would actually really love these highlighters still to this day. But yeah, I still love it, and I'm so happy I do. I know I'm not going to get this lucky every time. I know I'm going to try some of these products that I used to love, and it's not going to work out. But so far, I've been pretty lucky, so fingers crossed. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys are liking me going back and checking like old favorites and all that, because it's just a lot of fun, to be honest. But I'd really appreciate it. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.